Amazon Prime Day is here, or should we just call it Prime Week at this point? The real deals start today and run through Friday, July 11th. BLUETTI, one of the premier power station brands, is offering some great deals up to 50% off on their best-selling products. Let's check them out.
HOBOTECH.
Let's start small, work our way up. All prices mentioned include either the built-in Amazon coupon code or the special discount code provided in the description of this video. First up, the EB3A, which is BLUETTI's second smallest power station, and it just had its third birthday. It's on a deep discount for this Prime Day, as it offers a 600-watt pure sine inverter with a 268 watt-hour battery, fast built-in AC charging, UPS mode, wireless charging pad, which is something BLUETTI has stopped doing, unfortunately. Now, I own 3 of these, and they are all quite useful around the house and for charging phones and power banks while camping. It's also BLUETTI's lowest priced product this holiday at only $169. Add in my 5% off discount code, and that price drops to $160. At that price, you can just pass them out like candy at Halloween. Now, the AC70 in comparison is more versatile and slightly newer design with a 768 watt-hour battery and a 1000-watt pure sine inverter. Rocks a pair of 100-watt USB-C outputs to charge 2 laptops simultaneously, along with 2 USB standard ports for charging phones and tablets. This model would be a good choice if you need to run a portable 12-volt fridge, since there's a regulated 12-volt socket and plenty of battery to get you through at least 24 hours with most fridges. Weighing in around 22 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, can be topped up with AC power in about 90 minutes or about 2.5 hours with the built-in 500-watt MPPT solar controller. The AC70 can be had during Prime Day for $299 or only $284 when you apply my discount code in the description. BLUETTI's best-selling mid-size offering for the past 2 years has been the AC180. Now, this is one of their larger, more capable, but mid-size, low-cost power stations. It doesn't offer a bunch of fancy bells and whistles, but that's the whole point. It's supposed to be a bargain product. It packs 1152 watt-hours of lithium iron phosphate, which is almost as much as a 100 amp-hour 12-volt lithium battery. This is one of BLUETTI's cheapest power stations that can run virtually any home appliance that can plug into a standard wall socket. And you still get the 12-volt regulated socket for refrigerators and other DC, but you only get the one USB-C output. In trade, you do get 4 standard USB ports. And being a budget model, it only has a low-voltage 500-watt solar controller, but it does charge from AC power in about an hour, which is fast. It also offers a UPS mode for keeping those computers and things online when the grid fails. Now, this model was replaced by the Elite 100 V2 that I just reviewed a few days ago, and that's also on sale for only $379. So make sure you check that review out too. But while the new Elite is cheaper during the sale, it does have a smaller battery, and for some reason didn't run my window AC that I have up here. If running a window AC is a must, you're going to want the AC180 instead. And at $449 or $426 with discount code, the AC180 is still a very hot buy at only 37 cents per watt hour. Just be aware this model does not offer any battery expansion or scalability, nor can 2 be hooked together for more power. However, if you do need expandability, you might want to hold out for this next model. The AC200L is BLUETTI's lowest priced mid-range unit on this list that supports battery expansion up to 8 kilowatt hours. It sports a 2 kilowatt hour lithium iron phosphate battery out of the box, along with a very beefy 2400 watt pure sine inverter. And this power station is large enough to start large electric motors like an air compressor or large home refrigerator without any issues. If you have a 120 volt well pump, it can run that too, along with the largest of microwave ovens and any 120 volt kitchen appliance. This model has a built-in 30 amp RV hookup, and it's powerful enough to run just about anything in your RV. Along with battery expansion ports, this big BLUETTI has a 1200 watt high voltage MPPT solar controller built in that can handle solar panels in series up to 135 volts. This gives you a lot of charging options, as it also charges from AC in about 90 minutes. Coming in at around 62 pounds, it's less tossable than the smaller models, but still very portable for camping situations or if you need to carry it upstairs. Unique to the AC200L is BLUETTI's new 48-volt expansion port that lets you charge external batteries if you decide to purchase the adapter box. Coming in at $899 or $854 with coupon during Prime Day, you get a lot of bang for your buck at 42 cents per watt hour. BLUETTI's newest product on the Prime Day list is the recently released Elite 200 V2, that replaced the aged-out AC200P with a far more compact, far more powerful, and far more efficient model. If you like BLUETTI's new compact designs, this is the one to get if you want a beefy mid-range model that can take a lot of stuff. They paired the beefcakey 2600 watt inverter with a 2074 watt hour battery, managed to eke out an incredible 96% on my battery capacity test when I reviewed this product late last year. Now you're going to want to watch that full review if you need to know more about this little beastie. At 59% off, or the best price it has ever been since launch, it's on sale this week for only $6.99 or $6.64 with code. That's 32 cents per watt hour. 32 for a newly released state-of-the-art BLUETTI power station with a 5-year warranty. This is the biggest bang for the buck BLUETTI on sale this week and would be my top choice out of this list today for best value. The AC240 is BLUETTI's only mid-size IP65 rated water-resistant power station. This thing has it all. It has the ability to parallel the inverters for double the output. It has battery expansion ports. You can be expanded up to 20 kilowatt hours. This is the first model to my knowledge to support the new app-free hidden interface settings. It sports a 1536 watt hour battery with a 2400 watt inverter and a 1200 watt solar MPPT controller. Now, the downside to the IP65 rating is that the waterproofing makes the unit larger and heavier than the AC200L with a bigger battery. It's on sale for 47% off its regular price or $9.99 during Prime Week. Now for the flagship modular home backup systems. The AC300 is the smaller of the two. It has a separate 3000 watt inverter unit now paired to one or more of the new 2764 watt hour B300K batteries. Now, when I refer to the AC300 as a product, the default base package includes the standalone inverter unit along with one B300K battery. So note, it is two pieces. Besides being expandable up to 11 kilowatt hours each, the AC300 also has another trick up its sleeve. It can be connected to another AC300 to output double the power in 240 volt split phase. This enables you to run virtually any 240 volt appliance in your home with the optional home integration kit. You can provide power to all your essential loads automatically during a blackout. This means keeping your food cold, your air conditioner heating running during the worst of storms. And with a built-in TT30R30 amp RV hookup, you can also power your RV off the grid. The AC300 also has amazing solar charging with its pair of built-in 1200 watt MPPT solar controllers. That's 2400 watts of solar charging up to 150 volts per string. When maxed out, that means topping up a single battery in under 90 minutes. The AC300 could also charge from greater EV charger at 3000 watts, meaning 1 hour to top up each battery. Now, I have several reviews out on this model, including how to pair two together, how to hook it to your home wiring. You're going to want to check those out before purchasing. The AC300 is on an incredible deal right now during Prime Day, where you can get this 3000 watt monstrosity for only $12.99 or $12.34 with code. That's 45 cents per watt hour for their smaller flagship product and a drop of 48% off the regular price. On to the biggest, baddest BLUETTI on the block, the AC500. Now, the AC500 takes the 300 to the next level and ups its game by pairing an epic 5000 watt inverter with the same 2764 watt hour B300K battery. Because the AC500 is designed for high load outputs, it can be paired together for 240 volt split phase service, just like the AC300. It does come with a built-in L1430 twist lock, a TT30R30 amp RV hookup, and a 120 volt NEMA 1450 RV hookup. It also has both a 12 and 24 volt regulated cigarette lighter style carport socket for powering DC fridges, either 12 or 24 volts, and other DC loads. All the USB charging you could ever want, including wireless charging pads, built-in 3000 watt solar chargeability through a pair of 1500 watt MPPT solar controllers that can handle up to 150 volts each. The AC500 can AC charge up to 5000 watts from 240 volt service or generator, topping up each battery in about 45 minutes. Each AC500 can handle up to 6 of the B300K batteries for a combined total when paired together for 33 kilowatt hours of power. That's about 2 days of juice for the average American home without even factoring in solar charging. Of course, this model can also hook up through the home integration kit so you can automatically power essential loads during a blackout. This 5 kilowatt beast is on sale during Prime Day for nearly $7.50 less than it was last year at $16.99 or $16.14 when you use my code. That's 58 cents per watt hour, but running at 5,000 watts versus 3,000 watts of the smaller AC300. It's also a larger and heavier system, so your choice should depend on the loads you plan to run and what kind of hookups you truly need. The $400 premium might be worth it. For example, you plan to hook up two together to run your home during a blackout, as a 10 kilowatt inverter is a lot more power to take you a lot further to run large appliances than a 6 kilowatt inverter would. Now, all these larger systems, when integrated into your home that are over 3 kilowatt hours, should qualify for the 30% federal tax credit. So you're going to want to check into that to see if Uncle Sam owes you. Last on the list of power stations are the new backpack models BLUETTI calls the HandsFree 1 and 2. I think they could have been a little more creative with the naming. The smaller 1 model has a 268 watt-hour battery with a 300 watt inverter inside of a 42-liter weather-resistant backpack. The larger 2 model is 512 watt-hours with a 700 watt inverter inside of a 60-liter backpack. Of course, I reviewed both of these. It's a very cool idea for folks that do remote drone or camera ops, or for someone who wants to run a Starlink Mini for internet at like a remote location. These really aren't meant for like long distance hiking because they are lithium iron phosphate batteries and are still pretty heavy. I found a use for mine as an emergency backup in the car, and I could toss it in the 4x4 for when we go off-roading. I could use it to run my Starlink dish literally anywhere on the earth, charge up dead cell phones, or more importantly, that dead jump starter that I forgot to recharge. They're also great for running lights or projectors at camp. The HandsFree 1 is going for $279 or $265 with code, while the larger HandsFree 2 is $399 or $379 with code. Last but not least are the B300K and B210 standalone batteries. The B300Ks are 2764 watt-hours and backwards compatible with virtually every BLUETTI product that has a battery port, as long as you have the correct cable. The B210 is the water-resistant version that's a smaller 2150 watt-hours and is compatible with the AC200L and AC240 only. So if you're looking to expand your BLUETTI's battery capacity, the B300K is on sale for $999 or $949 with code. The B210 is $799 or $759 with code. Note that all the aforementioned power stations use 3,500 to 4,000 cycle lithium iron phosphate batteries, good for 10 years, can be controlled remotely using BLUETTI's app. The smaller units only have Bluetooth, while the larger units will have both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And in many of the newer models, the wireless can be disabled if desired. They all offer a UPS mode that'll keep your sensitive electronics computers online when the grid fails. Of course, I've done in-depth reviews of all the BLUETTI products, so if you want more details on any single product, be sure to check out the playlist link provided in the description, or just use the YouTube search engine to search for the model name plus the word HOBOTECH. That should get you directly to the review. Of course, I'll put links in the description of this video for all the BLUETTI Prime Day deals, along with the relevant discount codes. I'll also pin them in a comment. The global link to BLUETTI's sales page is also up here on screen, along with a QR code that you can scan if you're watching me on TV. That'll take you on over to the BLUETTI store page, where you can check out these awesome Prime Day deals. Using the provided links does keep HOBOTECH online and bringing you these amazing offers. It also keeps Odin's food dish full, so we both really do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.
Odin commands you to like and subscribe, and clean my litter box.